Hello, Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Lighthouse Tarot 369. Dear friends, this time I am going to do a reading which is somewhat different than all my other readings. And this time we are going to do the reading for self care. So, this is a general collective reading, and many times it so happens in our life that we do take care of everybody around us, but then somehow, somewhere, we fail to look after ourselves well. So, keeping this point in mind, I have decided to do this reading. Before I go for the reading, I request you all that if you are new to the channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. It will really encourage me. So let us quickly take out the cards first of all, and then we will go into the reading. So right now, what is your current state of mind? What is your current feeling? Your current feeling at present? Angels, please give me. Yes. New vision. Okay. What you need to do to heal yourself? And we have got morality. Something you're repressing that you must accept. Success. What in your life needs to change? Friendliness. What you need to distance yourself from? What you need to distance yourself from? Consciousness. What you need to welcome in your life? And control is the card that we have got. And I'll take one more card. What you should be proud of? And we have got awareness. All right. Before that, just let me arrange these cards. So dear friends, this is really a lovely reading. I can see a lot of different types of energies over here. First of all, your current state of mind. So the first card that we have got, like your current feelings or your current state of being, and in that we have got this card of new vision. It seems that at present you have taken a break from the world and you are trying to balance your energies. You are trying to focus your energies on certain projects, but at the same time you feel tied down. You feel that you have been tied down by certain things. You are trying to develop a different perspective, a different vision, and that is what you are trying to do or you are trying to achieve. And in doing so, you feel that at times you are like tied down, you are not having the liberty that you want, and all those types of things are there. But then, like, if you concentrate, if you meditate a little, and if you be one with nature, it will become easy for you to develop this new vision. So this is what the card is saying, what you need to heal to do yourself. And in that we have got this card of morality. So actually you need to liberate yourself from all the thoughts which are clouding your mind. There are certain thoughts which have actually created this state of being for you, wherein you feel completely tied down. You feel that you are not able to do anything, like your hands are tied down and all those things. The thing is that you need to open your eyes. You need to stop overthinking is something which is troubling you a lot. So stop overthinking, and then only you can heal yourself. Instead of overthinking, you can play some light music and you can meditate sometimes. You can listen to some soft songs, music. You can take a walk in nature barefoot. You can walk on grass. So all these things you can do. Once you become one with nature, things will start getting better for you. And then what you are repressing, that you must accept. And in that we have got the card of success. This clearly indicates that you are the one who is actually, capable of an every type of success. You are the one who can ride this tiger also, but then you are not accepting the fact that you are capable of doing so. You are not able to accept that you also can be successful. You believe that there are so many limitations and there are, all loopholes, and that is why you cannot achieve success, but that is not so. You are suppressing this feeling of success, so you need to come out of this. Then it will become easy for you to move ahead. This is something very important when we are talking about excuse me, self care. Then what in your life need to change, and in that we have got friendliness. So what you need to change is this, that in case if you are very uh, outgoing person, outspoken person, you become friends with people so quickly, you are very friendly, you need to put a control on this, right? Instead of going and mingling with people very quickly, first of all observe them, try to find out what they are, who they are, and then you can proceed further. So instead of, it is true that, when you become one with them, their personality actually overpowers your personality, and that is something which should be avoided. So in order to avoid that, right, because of that only this is happening, that you are not able to accept that you can also be successful, because you meet people who overpower your personality, and then you start comparing yourself with them. So success, parameters of success are different for everybody, but then if you start comparing yourself with others, then success will not come to you easily. This is something you need to be very careful of. Next card that we have taken is like, what you need to distance yourself from, and you need to distance yourself from consciousness. Over here it means that you need to distance yourself from all, you can say, surrounding negative energy. You need to actually bring clarity in your thoughts and in everything that you do. Even if you are dealing with people, and if you come across any chaotic situation, use your mind, use your skills, and try to figure out exact situation and scenario, right? And listen to your heart. This is what actually you need to do. You need to distance yourself from surrounding people and surrounding negativity, and you need to meditate, you need to concentrate, you need to listen to your heart, you need to be intuitive. So the moment you start following your intuition, the moment you start listening to your heart, the moment you start little bit of meditation and all those things, you will feel relaxed as well as confident, right? Next card that we have is like, what you need to welcome in your life, and in that again we have got this card of control, which clearly indicates that you need to be very clear with your communication, and you need to be very demanding as far as any clarity is required in any matter. Do not uh, refrain yourself, do not feel suppressed. Instead of that, you need to actually be in control of everything. This is what you need to welcome in your life. You need to be very, very, very clear in your communication. You need to be very organized. You need to be very swift moving person as far as your thoughts are concerned. As I told you over here right in the beginning, that your energy is such wherein you really want to develop a new vision, you want to move ahead, but then you are feeling tied down. And then we saw that there are certain people around you who are creating negativity, and there are certain people who are overpowering your personality, and because of that you are not proceeding further towards success, and you are not accepting success. So this card is also telling you the same thing. You need to plan well before you start anything. You need to be careful with your planning, with your logic. Be very logical and be very organized. This is what is very much required over here. If you do that, then definitely you will be in a better position. Stop taking risks, right? And as over here we can see that, you have to leave your emotions behind. You need to be bit logical and bit practical, and then if you plan everything for yourself, right? Once you start doing this, see, we are doing all these things for yourself, so you need to be this. Because what I see over here is that because you have been so much emotional, people have probably taken undue advantages from you. So you need to, that is why, come out of this. This is what you need to welcome in your life, right? So this is really very important. Sorry, my camera actually just moved. And then the next card, that is what you should be proud of, and in that we have got awareness. So this is the card which tells you that you are actually, you are in this state and you want to reach to this stage wherein you are aware of surrounding, where you want to leave behind all things which are not clear, and you are emerging as a person with clear mind, clear thoughts, clear ideas. So this is something you should be proud of. You are in the process of becoming, right? So this is something really wonderful, and concentrate on this, meditate as much as possible, and then proceed further, because this is the card which says that you already are on the path of self awareness. You are on the journey of self awareness, and because of that probably all these things are happening. This is something really wonderful, dear friends, because what I see is that since you already have started this journey of enlightenment, of awareness, right? There are places wherein all thoughts are creating so many like thoughts are there, but then this card told you that stay away from negativity. This card told you that be logical and do not give importance to all other negative aspects. And this card also told you the same thing, that come out of all I, thoughts which are not clear, and then move ahead. So this is what the reading is saying. Let us take a few more cards. What is the message for you from the universe in this regard? What is the message for you from the universe in this regard? Abundance, impatience. One more card, please. Okay, gratitude. Fine. So the universe is telling you that you are already on the path of abundance, and you need to have patience, because it becomes very difficult for you at times to have patience, and then you lose hopes and all these things. But then see, angels are already there protecting you. So do not be impatient, abundance is there for you. And at the same time, you need to be grateful. You need to be grateful for everything around you. So start practicing gratitude, start practicing helping people, start practicing patience, start practicing meditation. This is what is needed. So what I see over here, dear friends, that yes, we all are people who are so much into the world. The world is too much with us, as Wordsworth has said, right? So keeping that in mind, apart from all those things, this is the reading which is telling you all that uh, this self awakening thing has already started in you. See, this is a reading which is very special reading, and is not a common reading. It will not be resonating with everyone, because this is for very special chosen ones only, and this will resonate with them. So if you feel that something of this sort is there, wherein you feel that sometimes you are overpowered by your friends, or your friend's personality overpowers you, or sometimes you feel that you are not capable of success, or sometimes if you feel that you are not clear what people are saying, or sometimes you feel that you are tied down, then this reading is definitely going to help you out. So this is all from me, dear friends. We will meet again next time. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves. And remember, what goes around comes around. And yes, please do take good care of yourselves. And at the same time, I would like to tell you all that please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all.